Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mr. Birkin. Today I have a really great news. Another unboxing, which is this one is the amazing collections. It's from the NBA collections. They have a pop-up store in Chadstone shopping center. There's no pre-order and no one can reserve the items, anything. So they're gonna launch and buy straight away in the pop-up store. So I went there really in the morning. They open at 10, so I have to be there at 10, and I have another appointment which is with my friend having a brunch. When I got there, the line, it's a long line. I said I don't know if I can get it, and then I'm late for my lunch because my friends already reserved the restaurants, and then she's already there, and then they have a really tiny pop-up store. When I got there, I just looked everything. There's not really much I can see, so I review everything in pop-up store in my other videos, and then look around, and then I'm really late from lunch because my friends always calling me where I am, so I just like lying to them, like to her, oh, I'll be there in a few minutes, because she doesn't know that I'm in LV store. If she knew, I'll be dead. Anyway, the CA there who assists me, I never seen her before, so I'm saying to her that I'll be back after my lunch. If still there, the items meant to be for me. If it's not there, just forget it. I don't want to get it anyway. So I went to lunch, and then finished lunch. I see the bag still there. I don't know if not many people know the bag's still on sale, or the people don't really know the pop-up store, because the pop-up store is very tiny, like it's like a box. But the people, they're just busy. There's no customer. So people might think they are just a display without purchasing inside it. And then when I got there again, and then I see this same CA, and then I say, is it possible if I can get the bag? Do you want to buy the bag straight away? I say yes, but I don't want to queue on that line, and then I'm in a rush because I need to go somewhere else. And then she just packed the bag and everything, and then I say, because I don't drive, honestly I don't drive, I take public transport, and public transport in Melbourne especially, it's amazing. I have no doubt it's amazing public transport. And then if parking for me is headache, because I have to pay insurance, I have to pay petrols, I have to find a car park. If there's so many things I have to do if I have a car. So that's why I don't want to buy anyone's car, or I don't have a plan to have a car. If I have a car, maybe I have to have a driver. Anyway, it's a long short story. And then I got the bag, and then I say to her that, is it possible if I can pick up in your store? Because from Chadstone to city is far away. I have to take a bus, train, and bus again. And then she say, yes, you can pick up after 4 o'clock or whatever. We make appointment there. And then I pick up with no problem. So this is the box of the bag that I bought. So let's quick unboxing. I'm really excited. This morning I have really bad day, really bad day. I'm nearly stressed. So the box doesn't have a ribbon or anything, and the box inside is just a bag, that's it. So yeah, it's very simple. You know what I got, right? The box is huge. It's really great for display. Ow! I got pepper cuts. Oh my god. This Keepall It's amazing. I'll tell you about it later on after this unboxing. So they have the Louis logo there. I don't really mind. God, this is the back. Jungi, hey, excuse me, though. Jungi. Ready? Right. When I saw this one, oh my god, it's amazing bag, and I already know that what I want to buy at the first before it's launched. I want to get the white one because the monogram is just a brown and classic. I prefer other color than the monogram if they have limited edition. And then I didn't think this big. This is a Keepall 50. Super huge. I'll give you a close-up look later on. But I thought, because I'm still confused with this bag when I want to purchase it, because I didn't know what it looks like, what it is the bag, because this is the thing that I really confused. And they have a compartment in here to close everything, so it's not really opened. As you know, I know that you know, all the social media, this one is open with a bowl or just a hole. And then when I saw this one in the store, oh my god, is it different Keepall? And I say no, this is meant to be closed if you doesn't want to show what is inside or anything. So this is the cover that you can put inside, or you can just take it off the compartments. And when I saw this bag, it's amazing bag. It's just like over the moon, because I always looking for a good material, a good quality, a good limited edition. So this is the bag that I really impressed. I know the price is too much. I bought this one is 5,350 Australian dollars. But what you can say NBA collection, I'm not really big fan of NBA, but I'm really big fan of the limited editions. If they have really rare items, I really want to get it. And if doesn't really much different with the classic monogram, I don't want to buy it, even though limited edition. The thing is, this is the make me more want to buy because of this. And they have NBA logo there, which is I really like. Which one? Where's the logo? There, the logo. And this really makes me more want to buy. I didn't have a feeling with other collections. I don't really feel I want to buy that. It doesn't really attach to me. And then when I saw this one with the brown one, I didn't look at the brown one. I just looked at the white straight away. So that's why I want to get the white one. And then a few things it's different with this Keepall. You can say bandolier, but it's not bandolier. The strap is on the sides. Normally it's on this in the end, but this one is different. And then I like the zipper. It's stainless steel, you can say. It's not plastic. and it's in gold, which is I really like it. So this is the stuffing. That's good. And this is the stuff that you get. Okay, let's see what they have. So this is for the inside, that if you want to put a bowl, so you can just attach this to that compartments, and then they have a button. You have to put this one. I don't have a bowl, so I don't know how to do it. I'll show you later how to do it, that one. So this one is for that. They have a Louis Vuitton Paris in it, and you got the padlock, just a normal one, doesn't have a limited edition padlocks. It say 443 number, so nothing really special in the padlock. So I just put it back, and the keys, and they have the chain. Oh, gotcha. So this chain is for the padlock and this one. So you attach like that, and you attach the key here and the key inside there, and then you're just putting outside the bag. So it's just like that. Really impressed with this chain. It's very heavy and it's very glossy. I adore it, which is I really like it. And I have a sticker, this one, basket monogram antique or Antarctica, and they're coming with the luggage tag with NBA in it, and the handle strap if you need it, and this is the strap. It's just a normal strap, so you can put this one in it, or you don't want to put it in it. I don't really care much about this one. I just put this one on. Yeah, but the blue is amazing. It's very bright blue. It's different from the Union Jack blue. This is more, it's super bright blue. It's more into like the ribbon of the Louis Vuitton there, which is on the dust bag. It's kind of the same blue, so you can have imagination of what kind of blue. Okay, just put this one aside. And the blue inside is amazing. Really like it. And they have NBA stamp in it, which is that made in France. A little pocket there. Doesn't have anything on the other side. And then the zipper, it's kind of wavy zipper. It's not just flat. I will be showing you what I meant. So it's amazing. See? I like it. I like it so much. So they have a red lining on there as well, which is just really pop up. Really like it. Okay, so I tried to open this one, so it's just like that, and doesn't come off. No. So it doesn't come off. So it's just like that, and then you can put this one. That'd be interesting. Okay, gotcha. Okay. So you put one on there and the other one to the head there, so it can hold with the bowl. Gotcha. So that's for the bowl. It's not going anywhere. It's quite interesting though. Or you can do with the back sharper in here, like a cardboard or anything. You can put your pad inside. Yeah, Jungi? I don't want to put my cat because her fur is molding at the moment because it's going summer. So cute. What do you think? Oh my god. This is super cute. I just like the blue. It's very contrast. Even though it's inside, I just like it. I just love it. I wish I have a bowl, but I don't have any bowl. I have no idea what I can put inside. No. Then you can close up again. It's very easy because they have a button there. Okay, and so on. So cute. Okay, I'm looking for a serial number. Serial number is just inside the pocket there. I wish they have like a little number 1 to, I don't know, 1000 of bags, which is make it more into limited editions. So I think we do close up. I don't know how to do it. The D-ring doesn't have Louis Vuitton stamp. Only the zipper pull have Louis Vuitton stamp. So what do you think? I'm really glad that I have this one. I don't think I want to use this one. I prefer using for display items because I'm really afraid to damage the items. And this is very like you can say it's art collections. And this is my obsessions. I really like, I don't know if and then they give me this one, sparkling water, champagne mini, and then I got 3, and then 2 of them I give it to a friend because I don't drink, and they give me this one for free, and then just give it to someone else when they're coming to my house. I don't drink. And then let's bring this one, and I love the strap. I just got this one a while ago. I bought this one from eBay, which is I really like it with this bag or any other mini bag. The chain is very comfortable and it's very soft. Anyway, it's not about this. So I'm having the receipt, and I'm using my card wallet, which is I really adore. Put it there. So so I bought this one is $5,350. It's Australian, and the color is white Antarctica. And the school number, I'll link it below. And I bought it on the 20th of November 2020, which is really like the number 2011-20. And then that's about it. Ooh, so nice. So really relieved. I really get it finally. And then the manager was give me information. They only have this NBA collection in Melbourne. They don't have it in Sydney or any other Australian state. And really excited about this one. I'm really happy to get this one. And then they only have 4 or 5 Keepall in Australia. I'm not really sure in other store. Before I get this one, I want to get the Game On the heart bag. I think that's the most very eye-catching, but it's very childish. But I just like rare items, but I don't get it. They only have a pop-up store in Sydney. They don't coming into Melbourne, so I don't get it. But I'm really glad to get this one. This one is amazing bag. Really make my heart make a day. So amazing. And that's all from me now. Thank you for watching. And if you have any question about this bag, let me know and send me a message, link it below, and let me know what you think about this one. Don't about the price. I know it's over the price, but who cares? Anyway, my Instagram is Mr. Birkin. You can follow me there. I'm more into uploading a story, what's going on with me and with other brand if I'm walking around, but I don't really much into walking every day to fashion, but just like lifestyles, what I do, what I work and everything. And then if I have more into update on Louis Vuitton, Hermes, Prada, whatever, it's more update in my Instagram rather than my YouTube. Better follow my Instagram, and I will be having a giveaway on Christmas. I'm not sure yet which one, but Follow me on my Instagram and subscribe on my YouTube if you want to know further information about that. I'll see you next time. Be safe on each other and bless your day and bless you. Love from me and catch up next time. Bye.